nonto tuga baba caregiver ibaba umba kunenkanira utethio ki especially these patients maybe by discharge no bakwenda kuendelea gutekirwa care of. So this is the caregiver course na baba ingi bakumba kumithithia nonto course irejere kugigweta tha ina marketability ayo is very high at the moment na no kwigwa grade ayo D minor. So with that D minor you can do that course. Then in the same department kuna community health wina C minor no uthithie, but this one has a cluster of subjects. Wina but kethro ina C minor ke English kana Kiswahili, a D plus in biology, then D plain ke mathematics kana physics. Okay, there wina grades you na ujoka thithia community health na certificate yayo pia ni a D plus. Then kuna School of Perioperative Theatre Technology. Ke department hizi ukethira yu perioperative theatre technology, these are the technicians bara baumba gukara theatre, kutayarisha the tools, the patients before the doctors come. So with your C plain you can do the diploma, and with your C minor you can do the certificate. Then kuna School of Applied Sciences. Ke department yu ukethira kuna science laboratory, diploma but kethira ina C minor, na science laboratory ba technicians ba bomba kwithira beki aya institutions labs you kana nya ba chemistry kemsa ibaba. So with your C minor nombe kwizo kathithia na certificate wina D plus. In the same department kuna biomedical engineering, wina C minor nombe kuthithia na biomedical engineering technology anto babomba kuthithia machine cia sibitari chithero ci ready for the use kana rira cia thuka. So ibaba. Then kuna School of Nutrition and Dietetics. For the diploma about human nutrition and dietetics ima daktari zazomba kuira anto buraba komba kure. So with your C minor you can do the diploma, and then with the wina D plus ke biology, chemistry kana one of the languages, then D plain ke either mathematics kana physics. You can do your diploma of human nutrition and dietetics. Na certificate yayo ni D plain na subject yu data rere kuga nyasho but kwithirwa wina D plain. So you can do that. In the same department kuna ya food technology, but kwithirwa ina C minor for the diploma na certificate D plain. Food technology babomba kuthithia the processed food ira mostly chenda wenya supermarket. Then kuna ya food and beverage management, mambo matoza hoteli hivyo kuruka hivyo. So with your C minor nombe kwizo kathithia diploma na certificate. Then kuna School of Health Records and Information Management. Ke department ejo kethira ya health records babomba go keep records sibitari, your data both in computer kana inya both handwritten by baba receive a patient bakajokia details chao. So with your C plain you can do the diploma na inyayo in a cluster of subject not to but kwithirwa ina C plain ke one of the languages, D plus biology, then C minor ke chemistry kana physics na masabu. For the certificate you're supposed to have a C minor pia in English kana Kiswahili, a D plain in biology, a D plus in mathematics, a C minor in either physics or mathematics. Then kuna School of Clinical Medicine and Surgery. These are the CEOs, the doctors, but kwithirwa ina C plain. Then for the biology C plain, either one of the languages C plain, mathematics and chemistry C minor. So kwithirwa ina grades you no wizo apply for the clinical medicine and surgery. Then we have our last one, School of Nursing. Nursing but kwithirwa ina C plain, and ke School of Nursing in diploma ketwina utina certificate. So ina C plain na uthithie biology C plain, chemistry kana mathematics C minor, and one of the languages C plain. So with those courses ziko Imperial na utazipata with but RINGA thimoto ga gutariria maybe kwe baraba bataigwa the cluster of subject, but hiwi cho courses to that na cha Imperial.
Maybe duration ya certificate na diploma RG.
Okay, igategemea kuna certificates china 1 year na 1.5. and then caregiver in a 6 months. Tumetema as like a short course. So kwa hiyo 6 months, a certificate can take 1.25, 1.5 or 1 year. Then ku diploma kunaza zinachukua 2 years and the others are taking 3 years. Yes.
Right. Petronila, maybe munde payment irapo tumaira mtu au choose kuyakiri Imperial. How do you operate kiri uraibwa best chini kana fees?
Okay, mbele makambuge fees zetu zile affordable na of course ina fee yo na itutikairagia lipa mdogo mdogo. Na ndikulingana na course iro kagita tutatwe na certain percentage kulingana na course iro kugita na fee area course yu ofai kuria na ndetha iro keja kuna a certain percentage ira tutikairo gatonya neo na ndikuma au ukatonya na that percentage then kuma au ukaria pole pole mpaka unamaliza.
So no betikiru dina then kana dina fee balance maybe kapo the exam.
No wetikirwe.
That's good one.
No wetikirwe. Na ndio ukaandika barua ile ukareta mbeche yu ingi.
That's good.
Yes.
So exam chenu kana example ndi chenu neli exam conductor wa ibao.
Exams kwena ira ikathithwa internally na kwena ira ikathithwa externally. Na mostly aciari betharwa pakenda mwana athithia examination body ya thirikari. Nkwenda kuhakikishira aciari mwana kweze Imperial examination cieto cie fully accredited with various regulatory bodies each year government. Kaijana za example za nursing bathitha ya kigerio kia Nursing Council of Kenya. Unto vau no bagera ya igerio view. And then we have several. We have the clinical medicine ECOC, we have the nutrition KNHDI, we have NEC na SIDAC. Chionde chieku so kigerio kira mwana ora winara thirikari no kyo o Imperial kugero na kyo guti mwana. So our examination bodies are fully accredited by government.
Now Petronila intake chen thirikari ata.
And intake cheto there are 4 intakes in a year. That is January, March, May and September. And currently September intake is ongoing. And I don't know register that for September intake in our Thika main campus, NAKURU. And so September is our ongoing intake.
But four intakes na year?
Yes.
But ukaja kutegera nursing either in September ke na March.
Oh, September ke.
Na clinical medicine September ke.
So if
hizo zingine ndio zinaendanga fluently.
Oh, so baraba omba kwenda kuthithia courses you
for nursing is September, March.
So by the time you apply.
Yes.
Very nice. Na kukariu when gonna tumombe tawa churia 3. Bashuria, why is Imperial so special? Because kurana kuino kwethira kuina enrollment maybe anapa kuibwa it is not good for learning. So how special is Imperial?
Ngagucokeria kio nonto we are special. Ntiraga kuuga we are special. We are special nonto itwizikene na kunenkanira quality education, quality medical education. Muritori atiza kubatisha to the community. Na with the most feedbacks nimepata from various hospitals bariuga tobe na mwanya kidogo. Nonto weza kuithira mwana ora we Imperial pia labs ziko shule. The school is fully facilitated for those labs, for those baba nutrition food labs, for baba science lab. The labs are just school. No gwata ndi Muritoria na kuewa the right information. Na bado tuathiria u twina experience lecturers tuenda kunekera ritobe tu trainers bara bakaomba kuinstill the right information. Kenge ito aritobe tu twenda bethura bena clinical exposure. Me Muritoria nyo mwoni arabie skuru warego mwoni ome Muritoria bado atithirwe na confidence meana ndela twithera to sign various MOUs with various hospitals countrywide na aria aritwa betu bomba gwita for clinical rotations na inya attachment na itumba go expose aritwa betu to career opportunities no to the moment muritwa u ata clinical rotation umemu expose kwa kalia tayari. So and then itethora tuna hostel ndene aritwa meakwe mamciari atenda kurira mwana we hostel room. We have hostel inside aritwa betu ibekaira uniform affordable education tukwirwa imwendo aza unaweza lipa mdogo mdogo. We have a certain percentage ira muritwa mbakuria na akendelea kuthoma. So itutagairira aritwa betu
attachment chien
attachment rira muritwa akwiria that time ya attachment ibo ito batethairia guchwa attachment na unda ugaito sign various MOUs with various hospitals kwa witomba aritwa betu ibe yakinya gitari attachment ito batethairia na bageta attachment no twembize ikithara ki murigo ki muciari witomba ko bachwira attachment na bageta either urenda mwana eje akwina nja kana nyaete ona uthikari we do support that. Yes.
Bwina campuses jilithika.
Okay, thika tuna campus ijire, that is thika main campus na inge gutwa thika 2 campus na gitumi korora wakinyira ritopa tukaba kuingia muno ina wa main campus na nditwona turugure skuru ingi gitumi twametere thika 2 kenda at least alitopa tethira baingi in the main campus na ndeba tauriro in thika 2 campus. That's why we have 2 campuses in the same town.
Oh. Nili ikiri campus ya Nakuru. Courses ibo kuofa the same courses ibo kuofa.
Yeah. Courses icho ndendarikia kuga ugachithira inya chochi ya Nakuru. Tuko ziko Nakuru. Ina singa ketu but with a short time imbize kathiro ego Kenya inyayo. Yes, but hizo courses zingine ziko Nakuru.
Right.
Yes.
O institution no mwakaithire na vision yeyo no mwakaithire na moto yeyo so na kintu kionde kiti na vision kinyo mtu kiomboka kuthira utina vision utemea kumina awitite so Petronila me vision ya Imperial na mission yeyo niri.
Okay, mission Imperial is to offer transformative relative medical training in Africa. Itumika ashwa alitopa pa kongete the quality education kenda ndari kera bakaumagara pedera bare alitopa kumanya ngugi yao kiri community. That is our vision. And our mission is to offer support in career and growth. Itupa support akuba quality education. Yes.
Na Nelly, you have been kiri no idra wina ka background information kidogo. Imperial has been there for how long? Na maybe no turinya achievement ira bombeta kwa achieve so far. No tukuyanta benda kumenya history mtu achuri nasukuru ina ngatirire ire oro ba okiratia kuingwa. You see? So for how long have you been in business?
Since 2020.
So that is 6 years.
6 years, yes. Since 2020 we have been there. Tuambirie kurugura na the main campus here with Thika. Was the main. Tukurugura, the response was very positive. We try to give our students the best quality education. Within a short time, aritwabojera Imperial. Twarugura Thika 2. Tukwana nande bakoinya na class ine muno. Tuona nande tugukinya nande no turugurire campus ingi kanda tomba witana aritwa baba bora kwagirite. So the population yete kiongereka iro twetete twaciara kana getu ga Nakuru, which is also doing well. So you can see in a span of 6 years, 3 campuses, 2 offices. No kugere ku imagine school we ubura to career kwira antu aja tegintu gya kuga ikiorongo igintu kya uma na aciari bonde barabenja ibakwigwa bakaribishite sana Imperial nonto we are committed to professional excellence. That is our motto. Yes.
Petronila, mtu no achuri butina campus Meru, but you're based in Meru. Why Meru?
Okay, nandi Meru. Meru kambuge mbere matu na ritu baingi muno bakuma Meru County. Na very soon tunakuja Meru. Tunaleta campus hapa.
Oh, that's what I wanted to hear.
Yes.
Very soon boy Meru.
Itujite Meru.
Let's hope so.
Kuja.
Mwenyoko na niliburi Meru, it seems Meru kwena opportunity ya kuleta campus. Meru itana kwena matunda ya kuma kuntugu. So
Wani
Meru lazima kuna kitu Meru.
Wani binafsi personally. Imbiga watu nchokeretia ntoba Meru nkatho nuntu population ya Imperial wa Meru wako. Wametuitika. Na inyabono bauge matunda ibno beze bakauga pura bonete Imperial but kweza kurugura office Imperial mea ukategera inya Meru County mzima kutina a medical school around na wamenye aritwa baba ingi barenda courses hichi ya medical thai so kwina of course very few babenda gutigiriro but majority for me Mutuati, Rare, Chogoria, Kobu wameja. They are everywhere. They are wako huko. Tawapata huko. Wameja.
Meru tumeamua kusoma.
Wameamua kusoma. Kabisa. Kabisa.
Tukume no chogeri kiure kia tumiri ya director wenu, but any one of you can give me the message or baraba tufikiri tebo iban tumiri ya kumakiri mwelekele wenu kana the director.
Okay. Director wetu Benjamin Kenye na kwigwa acokeretie aritwa bonthe nkatho baraba mbite ku join Imperial na go appreciate all those parents who have trusted him na bareta aritwa Imperial na bado no wako encourage bo batumbite ku join bado September intake iko nafasi iko you can still apply and join the family. So he really appreciates those parents who have entrusted their children to Imperial College na no wako encourage nyao wewe na unja karibu sana Imperial ukuje tukule matunda sisi wote pamoja. Yes, and the September intake hujachelewa. You can still apply and join. Yes.
Petrolila tukirikiria maybe message kuwene okiri baraba utona na maybe baina bakinye luiwe ruba kwenda ku join Imperial College.
Okay, wani mbere makambari na muritoro direte form 4 na bando aja join shule mwere tukumukaribisha muno Imperial College na tumuhakikishira akikuja Imperial kiroto kiawe kia kugita kosi ya ndagitari gakinyarika na kauma Imperial etege community to train bwega na ukumenya uria kuthithia kiri kariewe. Karibuni sana Imperial College. September intake it's ongoing. Register head join.
Parting shot yangu ni oni mpenda kwaririria ritwa muno bara bagwete ndi plus na ndi minor. Nkurikiria gutariria courses several ira mwana huu ekitwe njamba kwija akathithia na akathithia diploma na akaendelea to other levels. So achiari thai September intake enderete turetere hii ana bau baomba kuthoma bathithie courses ichi ya medical na tukaomba kubatetheria and before we finish I hope ugampaka nyampeza ni directions.
No problem.
Directions to our campuses and offices. Yeah. Okay. Imperial College main campus Thika, tuko Thika, that is Kiambu County. Ugatwethera na area just 600 meters away from Thika level 5. Ina au main campus yetu ithairwo eri na kwina namba ya screen ne au wenda kuringa thimu rutere ru 0719 223 223. Then we have our second campus Thika 2. Iko just at On Towers on your way to Mamagina Drive. Namba ya thimu 0701 470 000 0701 470 000. Nombe kuringa namba eu no gatetheka pia. Then we have our Nakuru campus. Nakuru campus is on Angara Street, town, Nakuru, just opposite Christ the King Catholic Church. ugatwithira au na inya namba eu kwina namba eu ya screen ine 0713 050 000. Ukaringa namba eu pia utasaidika upande wa Nakuru. Then we have MERU office where we are. Utakuja pale Ken Silver offices. Kuna building inaitwa Electrical House. Iko hapo. Tuko hapo just to first floor. And even the third number is on the screen, 0768 373614. Ukaomba kuringa namba eu, ukaomba kutetheka. Then we have the Nairobi office. Nairobi office in Mombasa Road, NetGen Mall, first floor, room number 16. Au nio ovisitia Nairobi offices iko. So you can also visit the office na utakuwa assistant. Thank you very much.
Office hours?
Office hours 8 to 5. But calling, you can call anytime. As for me, I'm on. Yes.
Thank you, Nelly. Thank you, Petronila. Thank you very much. Kiribara bonde poka na batu kile rwa Imperial College of Medical and Health Sciences. I hope woe una kiroto kewita kuthomera kosi uchiberwa na kenda witethia uturone goro uyu no mwanka wi watire umenyo bokithomo na kosi ici cia utethia wikuria na kwiguna ndene iyo turo bwako ndokazi wakaria ere uterongero studio kinenteto cia wero thaithatu woeta kuraya.